So what's the difference between a first-party cookie and a third-party cookie? And why do I care? And why am I hungry? And why am I Keanu Reeves? Oh, Keanu, you have so much to learn. There has been a lot of talk about first-party cookies, third-party cookies, cookies everywhere in the world of the internet. And honestly, it's probably one of the most searched things by marketers on Google these days. So let's just break it down. What exactly are these things? First-party cookies are basically you collecting information. So you have a website and you collect first-party information about the people that visit your site. You own that information. It just goes to you. Third-party cookies, however, are actually not hosted by you at all. You have them on your site, but that information, it doesn't go to you, it goes to the third party. So first-party cookies are basically like Google Analytics. So you have a piece of code on your website, it collects these cookies, and then that information is then put into just stuff that you can access and use and that you host as the owner of that domain, of that site. Third-party data doesn't go to you, it just goes to the other party. So third-party cookies are basically going away. They're being abolished across the internet. Why? Because they're the main culprit of privacy concerns. They allow companies like Facebook, Google, and every other social media platform that runs advertising to be able to track what you do across sites. So you may go to fashionova.com and you hit their Facebook pixel, and third-party cookie happens, that information is collected, gathered, beamed over to Facebook servers, and then they can use that information, and advertisers can use that information. So the person with the site doesn't really touch it, see it, and can maybe leverage it, but certainly not through their own means. They have to go to the third-party platform to leverage it. These kind of cookies are going away. iOS 14 has sort of abolished them in the update in spring of 2021. And then of course, Google has said it's not going to build any more technology that tracks people across the internet. And they said they're going to abolish third-party cookies altogether by 2022. So advertisers are going to have to find different ways to get around this. The best way to do it is to collect more first-party data. Collect more email addresses, collect more text messages, all of these things. Own this information, build communities instead of just relying on platforms to do all of that work for you. At the end of the day, it's hard to argue this is not a good thing. Now, this means a lot of bad things for advertising, like less retargeting available, less personalization available, less targeting options available, but it also means a lot of good things because it's going to urge people to do more work building communities, building their email list again, all of those things becoming magnets. We're gonna have to change a little bit about what we're doing. Here's a video on retargeting, and then here's another video that explains more about the ramifications of iOS 14 for Facebook advertising. I'll see you then.